Good afternoon. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to Beaver Creek Deer Hunting Camp. The start of it anyways. Get yourself a coffee. I've got a campfire going here. I got some boneless spare ribs cooking on there. There's plenty if you want to sit down. Got a log here I sit on. I brought in some stumps today. So I've got a little table, and I'll tell you the story behind Beaver Creek Hunting Camp. A little bit of it anyways. You might want to subscribe to the channel. This is going to be an ongoing process. I'm going to build this cabin over the course of the next couple of months. Today I was able to, like I said, get yourself coffee. Must be time for a drink. Wandering Willie, he joins me pretty early. These videos come out at 6 o'clock in the morning. And a lot of mornings he's up having coffee. So, hello, Willie. Let's have a sip. Well, today I got the flatbed done. You saw that in the last video. So today I loaded the flatbed up in the big wagon that I haul the six-wheeler over here in. So, and I also hauled over the big tractor tire, and I hauled over the chain link fence. So I had quite a load, and on the way in I had spotted a couple of dead logs, so I stopped and chopped those off so I could have one is for a table, so I got something to have a table around the campfire with at this point. And like I said, got spare ribs on there today. And I am starving. It's got to be 2 o'clock by now. And I left the house this morning with no breakfast. And for all you guys that are following along, I really appreciate all the help in locating a set of pipe staging. So I located my pipe staging yesterday. One of the viewers, Enos. Hello, Enos. I really appreciate the phone number, and all of you had some great ideas. Enos had located a phone number up in Old Town, Maine, and he thought there was some pipe staging there. So I gave that number a call, and I purchased 8 pieces with all the brackets. So that was excellent. So thank you again, Enos. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I got those picked up yesterday. Now, if you want to go back and watch that, you'll see the video. The name of it is, I'm Looking for Something, Pipe Staging. You can go back and see all the comments and all the great ideas people had on how to locate a set. And I kind of thought that my YouTube family could put their hands on a set for me, so it came through. I am very happy and excited. What all that pipe staging is going to be for is I am building a permanent bear hunting stand about 1,500 feet that way, maybe 2,000 feet that way, up in the it would be the northwest corner of this piece of property. So that's going to be a permanent stand, and I'm going to build a little building, a hunting shack up on top of the staging. It'll be 8 feet by 5 feet, the little hunting shack. I'll be able to stand up in it. We'll have windows all the way around it. Also, I'll have a buddy heater in there. That won't be for bear hunting, because our bear season is in September. But with a stand like that, I can also put bait out in the wintertime for coyotes. So in the wintertime, that'll become my permanent coyote stand. So I'll go see a farmer and see if I can get a dead calf or a dead cow or something. Or who knows, maybe I can even get a roadkill deer or something from the state of Maine if I go pick it up. So we'll see. I'll put some bait out and we'll go from there. And with the other piece, I'm only going up 12 feet with that piece. So that leaves me with 4 more pieces. So straight out from here, there's a peninsula that meets the stream, and I can see probably a half a mile in both directions, where it comes out to the swale grass, and you can see up the stream, you can see down the stream, Beaver Creek. So I'm planning on putting 1 set of staging right there, and the same thing, building a hunting shack on top of that. And that way that'll be a great place, because it's straight out from the cabin. That'll be a great place to go out, set in the evening, watch for animals, watch for moose, watch for anything. Bears could be out there. Moose can be out there, deer, anything. Ducks, geese, runs the whole gamut. So, and that's about 1,000 feet from the cabin. I'm building the cabin right behind me. So roughly 1,000 feet that way will be that other set of staging with a small building on top of that. So, and I'm looking forward to having coffee in that one, because in the morning time and in the evening, especially in the evening, you're going to get the westerly sunset. So that will make a beautiful place to have a cup of coffee. Just so much to do here on this piece of property. There's not enough hours or enough days in the week for what I got going on here this summer. One of my viewers this week, he said, "There ain't no grass growing under your feet." This summer there isn't, because I'm still I'm still heading, I'm coming back and forth from the rustic log cabin down to here, so we're just keeping the materials coming. I'm still waiting on lumber. I'm going to plan on give them a call next week and find out how close we're getting. I was supposed to be getting closer, but as of right now, I still don't have my lumber. But what I'm working on today, and I'll be working on Friday, is finishing up my loop trail and making a place to store lumber. And I forgot my weed whacker today. I was going to come in and weed whack everything here around the campfire just to open it up just a little bit more, keeping it safe. But I brought my dinner anyways. A little bit of salt, pepper. It's all mixed. That way I can have it in one container. And this right here is cayenne pepper. But that's what's going on at Beaver Creek today. Yesterday was a busy day. I had a great time picking up the staging. I gave my father a call and asked him if he'd like to go for a long ride. So he said yes. So he met me at the house and we headed over to Old Town, Maine to pick up the staging. We got the staging loaded in, got back to the house just in time for it to start raining. So that worked out pretty good. We didn't have to travel in bad weather. And we didn't have to load the staging in bad weather. But this morning I had to take it all out, get it piled up, because I had a massive load in the back of that wagon. I've switched over to a sip of lemonade. You guys have a great day. I'm going to wrap this one up here now. Throw me a bone. If you're new to the channel, throw me a bone. Subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to follow this series, it's going to be going on all summer. We're going to be building a outpost deer hunting camp in here on the new piece of property. So thank you all for coming along, and I will see you in the next one.